Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson, where we'll be exploring family history with a fun activity. This is a great way to learn more about our roots and to connect with our family stories. So, let's dive right into the questions on our family tree. Activity questions. Let's look at each question together and feel free to pause the video or take a moment to think about each one. 1. First question, what are your grandparents' first names? Pause. 2. Second question, where were your parents born? Pause. 3rd question, how many brothers and sisters did your grandparents have? Pause. 4. Next, question 4, where were your great-grandparents born? Pause. 5. Question 5, what is your father's date of birth? Pause. 6. Question 6. How many aunts and uncles do you have? What are their full names? Pause. 7. Question 7. How many cousins do you have? Can you name them all? Pause. 8. Question 8. Have you got any relatives you've never met? Pause. 9. Question 9. Have any members of your family emigrated to other countries? Who and where? Pause. 10th. And finally, question 10. Are there twins in your family? If so, are they identical? Pause. Vocabulary section. Now, let's review some vocabulary related to family relationships. Let's go over each term, and I'll give you a moment to think of the answers. 1. What's the word for your mother and father? Hint, we call them together as parents. 2. Your parents' parents are your grandparents. 3. Your uncle's wife is your aunt. 4. Your aunt and uncle's children are your cousins. 5. People from the same family are your relatives. 6. Brothers and sisters who are exactly the same age are twins. Speaking activity. Now let's talk. Try asking these questions to a family member, a friend, or even writing down your answers. This is a great way to learn more about each other. Which questions did you find challenging? How can you discover the answers? Conclusion. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Remember, family history is like a treasure trove filled with stories and connections waiting to be discovered. Take your time to explore and enjoy learning about your family. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Continuation of the lesson. Welcome back to our lesson on family and personal identity. Let's dive deeper into this worksheet and complete each section together. Section 1. Matching family members. We'll start with matching the female and male family members. Try to match each pair, and I'll reveal the answers afterward. Take a moment to think before I continue. Number 1. Uncle. Who is the female match? It's 2. Number 2. Grandfather. The match is 'grandmother'. 3. Number 3. Father. The female match is 'mother'. 4. Number 4. Son. The female match is 'daughter'. 5. Number 5. Brother. The match here is 'sister'. 6. And finally, number 6. Husband. The female match is 'wife'. Great job if you matched them all correctly. Section 2. Sentence completion. Next, let's complete the sentences with the correct words or phrases from the box. I'll read each sentence, and after a pause, I'll give you the answer. 1. Number 1. Who Do You Think You Are is a popular TV program. It helps people find out about their family history. 2. Number 2. Although Fahad and Salim are identical twins, I know who's who because Fahad is just a bit taller. 3. Number 3. My grandparents still live in the house which my great-grandparents built. 4. Number 4. Bin Sulayem is a famous rally driver. His Grandfather is Mohammed bin Sulayem. And number 5, I was born on 25th June 2003. What's your date of birth? Well done! Completing sentences helps us understand the vocabulary better. Section 3, correcting sentences. Now, let's correct these sentences. I'll read each sentence, then give you a moment to think of the corrected version before we discuss it together. 1. Sentence 1. I've met most my cousins. The correct sentence is, I've met most of my cousins. Sentence 2. How many cousins you got? The correct sentence is, how many cousins have you got? Pause. Sentence 3. 2. My cousins live in Germany. The correct sentence is, 2 of my cousins live in Germany. Pause. Sentence 4. We have lot of fun when we see each other. The correct sentence is, we have a lot of fun when we see each other. 5. Sentence 5. Where you born? The correct sentence is, where were you born? Thank you for joining this lesson today. I hope you enjoyed learning about family vocabulary and working on these activities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.